Disturbing news is coming in. This is from Uttar Pradesh. There are by-elections that are going on in 9 seats. In Mainpuri, however, we are told the body of a young girl was found in a sack in suspicious circumstances in Karhal area. The family has accused a young man by the name of Prashant, and they are alleging that the daughter was brutally murdered. It's being alleged that the girl had said, remember, are all claims coming in, that according to information, the allegation is that the girl had said she's going to vote for the Bharatiya Janata Party, and this young man got so angry that she was going to vote for the BJP that he killed her. This is the accused name, according to the family, is one Prashant Yadav, and he was so angry. Why did the girl say that she's going to vote for the BJP? The police have reached and reacted on the information. They've reached the site, is what we are told. Have prepared a certain panchnama. The body has been sent for post-mortem. Now, the cops are refuting the allegations leveled by the family of the deceased. Accused has been nabbed for now. But what a terrible tragedy that has taken place for a family. You can see angry family members of the girl, and the girl's body found in a sack.
नेताजी बबलू बोले कि चाचा वोट डाल के जाइए, तो बिटिया बोली कम फूले में वोट दिए जो प्रधान तो बोला ताकि लब वोट डाल, नहीं तो तू रखा तेरे नाम तो रखिया कि तो रखिया बनाई दिए। जाने कल मेरी बिटिया को 12-1 बजे मोटरसाइकिल में बैठा ले गो, रात दिन में ढूंढो, रात में डंडा में पता करिए बिटिया नहीं आई हमारी बेटी का दाम गालो दबाओ, तब बहुत बुरी हालत करते हमारी।
ने जगह हम किसी से डरते नहीं, मैं कमल में वोट देंगे, मैं किसी को नहीं देंगे। बाने कही तू दुरगिया है तो तू चुरगिया बना दी, कल वोट डाल के देख ली तू मैया की लाल और बस जाए पकड़ ला। ये मैं जब विश्वास मानते माय नेताजी के द्वारा वारे बेटी हुई पारक दे बेटी राती ओ मैया मेरे लाला घायल हो जाना है।
जिस समय सूचना आई थी तत्काल पुलिस ने रिएक्ट किया और आरोपियों को भी उस समय पुलिस हिरासत में लिया और लड़की की भी तलाश परिजनों के साथ पुलिस कर रही थी और उसी में आज सुबह डेड बॉडी मिली।
Aishwarya Paliwal is joining me for the latest on that. Aishwarya, absolutely disturbing and concerning that the death and the murder, which is bad enough, but also the allegation if it was a political choice that led to the murder.
Well, you know, Pooja, we are seeing how there are a lot of flavors that are coming to the fore with regards to what's happening, specifically in the state of Uttar Pradesh, and now we are seeing these allegations being brought up. It is the Bharatiya Janata Party, Pooja, let me tell you, the main opposition party with regards to Akhilesh Yadav, which is now saying that these are the kind of things that are taking place, especially when the elections are on. Today, as we are speaking, Pooja, there are 9 by-elections taking place across the state of Uttar Pradesh, and now we are seeing a political thing coming to the fore. The family very clearly saying that this could have been avoided. We did not expect something like this to take place. The fingers are now being raised at Akhilesh Yadav and Samajwadi Party. The opposition also is now saying that this is something which should be looked at. Akhilesh Yadav, Samajwadi Party quite firm on these allegations. The BJP, however, not letting the matter go and saying that this is what's happening when those people who belong to the Samajwadi Party, when they are given a free run. So definitely a political twist. Unfortunately, this murder has now taken. Pooja.
Aishwarya, as we stay on with this big story, I'm trying to understand the grief of the father, and we'll listen in again to what the father had to say, because it's the family of the girl that's making this allegation that because she said she wanted to vote for the BJP, this young man, and they've recognized him, they've acknowledged it's him, and one Prashant Yadav, and they are saying that he picked her up. There were some men who came, and then she was found dead. Let's listen in again to that.
नेताजी बबलू बोले कि चाचा वोट डाल के जाइए, तो बिटिया बोली कम फूले में वोट दिए जो प्रधान तो बोला ताकि लब वोट डाल, नहीं तो तू रखा तेरे नाम तो रखिया कि तो रखिया बनाई दिए। जाने कल मेरी बिटिया को 12-1 बजे मोटरसाइकिल में बैठा ले गो, रात दिन में ढूंढो, रात में डंडा में पता करिए बिटिया नहीं आई हमारी बेटी का दाम गालो दबाओ, तब बहुत बुरी हालत करते हमारी।